Well, hi everybody. I'm driving into a town called Hanover, Pennsylvania today, and I'm going to stop by kind of a hidden gem in Hanover. It's a place called Revonah Pretzel Factory, and it's at 507 Baltimore Street. Now I'm traveling north, and on the street here you can see that it's got a little sign here on the side of the road next to an alley. Just going to go ahead and access is a little tough. You got to go down this little alley here and try to find a place to park on the side of the alley, but it's this little place here where the sign is, and there's a door to go in. So let's go inside and see what they have for fare today. Alright, so just parked the car over here at the Revonah Pretzel Bakery, and one thing about the name of the place, it's in a town called Hanover, and Revonah is actually Hanover spelled backwards. Hey, oops, I came in the wrong way, didn't I?
Oh, you're all
right. Let me come in the right way. Can I make a little video? I love your pretzels. Alright, so just walking into the store, you can see they've got all kinds of hard pretzels here, soft pretzels, and again, you know, as a former resident of Hanover, I kind of grew up with this, so I love their pretzels, and what I come here for is their soft pretzels, which are always a treat. Alright. And I see they got loads of them back there. Okay, so it looks like they got mini pretzel sticks here. Mini pretzels, the very small ones. And then sticks. And they actually make their pretzels right here in the back. They've got a place where they do all the dough and baking and big oven. I wish you guys could smell this, but it's really, really good. All right, well, I'm all set to have a good time.
A little on the salty side if you have it. A little on the salty side if you got it.
All right, well, I know I'm going to have a good time for the rest of today. I'm actually picking these pretzels up for a doctor friend of mine here in town, so I don't think that he gets to enjoy them as often as he should, so that's why I'm bringing them to him. All right, well, thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.